Indonesia's Mount Sinabung has spewed volcanic ash reaching 8 kilometres, forcing more residents to flee. Authorities say they predict that the frequency of volcanic tremors will increase. This resident said he felt the ground shake.
When the eruption started, I felt the ground shaking like in an earthquake, accompanied by rumbling sounds like that.
The National Disaster Management Agency says the number of residents who have left their homes stands at more than 6,000. However, no casualties have been reported. The volcano status is on alert level 3, and people are being told not to approach it. The volcano had been inactive for 4 centuries before first erupting in August 2010. Sinabung is one of nearly 130 active volcanoes in the world's 4th most populated country, which straddles the Pacific Ring of Fire.